This is Module 5 on implementing a school or district-wide information inquiry plan. As a school media specialist, you are in charge of implementing change in the school or at the district level. And this is because, as a media specialist, you interact with everyone in the building and have no formal authority. Also, you will have information, resources, and technology specialist skills, and these are very important skills. And you have the opportunity to create an exciting learning environment and provide invaluable educational programming. So in terms of being a school leader and a district leader in developing an information inquiry plan for the district or the school, it's really a school media specialist's responsibility to take leadership and become an agent of change. And as we can see, Empowering Learners outlines the kinds of roles that a school media specialist is expected to play at the school and district level. And as you can see, developing and implementing an information inquiry curriculum is an essential part of a school media specialist role. According to Empowering Learners, a media specialist is an instructional partner who provides professional leadership, is an information specialist who provides expertise in integrating 21st century learning technologies, is a teacher who empowers students to be critical thinkers, readers, researchers, and users of information and ideas, and a program administrator who creates an information-rich and equitable learning environment. And the kinds of activities that a media specialist is expected to be engaged in include collaboration, first and foremost, collaborating with educators to design engaging learning experiences, instructing students and assisting educators in using, evaluating, and producing information and ideas, providing access to materials in all formats, provide students and staff with instruction and resources that reflect current information needs, and providing leadership in the total educational program of the school and advocating for strong school library media programs as essential to meeting local, state, and national educational goals. So we know what the expectations are for media specialists. We know what media specialists must be doing in schools to increase student learning, but how do we go about affecting these kinds of changes? Well, Ross Todd from Rutgers University suggests the evidence-based practice approach. And this approach uses research on best practices in school and media centers to create instructional programs for developing effective users of information and ideas. And it is a 5-step process that involves assessing current teaching and learning issues as part of a district-wide team, identifying learning outcomes based on state and district guidelines and 21st century standards, developing an integrated school or district-wide curriculum based on inquiry, and these are based on defined outcomes, and also define the role of the media center in the instructional process, and this is very, very important. And then at the library media center level, the media specialist should assess the services of the media center and activities that are based on these outcomes, document and disseminate results from the perspective of the school library media center. And again, all of these things involve a planning process. And so we do need to really think about the process we're going to use in order to develop the plan and then implement the plan. So here is a suggested process. First of all, plan to plan. Establishing a planning and writing group, conducting a needs assessment, determine outcomes, develop a timeline. Plan to write. Work with the writing group to discuss writing strategies, develop an outline for the plan, develop writing priorities, and a timetable for completing the plan. Then writing the plan, which involves developing key points in the plan organizing the plan and beginning the approval process, and finally, assessing, maintaining, and promoting the plan, which involves developing implementation process for the plan, accountability structures, assessment and reporting strategies, and a marketing plan. And most importantly, in all steps of the planning process, the principal absolutely must be involved. Now, the role of the media specialist, as we can see in developing an information inquiry plan, is one of a leader and a change agent. And this is because the media specialist interacts with all members of the building, has the information presentation skills, and the information and technology resources for the planning and implementation process, and should be in regular interaction with the principal. Again, I thank you for paying attention to this module. The library media specialist as change agent is a very important concept for media specialists and media specialists in the future to understand. And I hope you will be able to read more about this through the resources that are listed here and are on Blackboard. And thank you very much, and I look forward to discussing this more with you online.